Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, if you get a message like this, self clean for your Samsung washer or any other washer in now new modern washers, this facility is coming where the system cleans itself. And if you get a message like this, it's very important not to ignore. So if you are going to do the self clean, what you have to do, take the whole load out. Okay, if it was before, make sure there's nothing inside. Okay, and just turn it on. Like all the modern machines, they are gonna do it themselves, and there's nothing you gotta be worried about. Okay, it's a very regular thing, and the machines do it themselves to like so that its walls and equipments are all clean and there is no issue. Okay, so I'm gonna do it now, and you see it's showing 2 hours 24 minutes, but yeah, it could be less also depending upon how it gets through. And yeah, you should do it. Okay, once it is done, it will be done. So thanks for watching this video guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.